What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. I'm finally back outside and I'm in my summer collection, which is a t-shirt. The weather is finally a little bit nicer and I got to bring out the John Deere 317. Today I'll be working on this machine right here and I'll get the engine fine-tuned since I had it running inside the shop, but I didn't get it running the way it should be. So I'll do that outside and then I can finally test it and drive it. After that, I'll be adding the grip tape to the bottom right here, and I have some grip tape which I ordered over eBay, and I'll show you guys how I'll cut that up and mount that onto the John Deere tractor. And then after that, I'll be adding the decals here on the side, which I ordered on eBay as well. I'll have to wait a couple days for that, but they'll be in very soon, so I'll have another video here in a bit. So let's get to work. I'll give you guys a walk around on the John Deere 317 and I'll show you guys how it looks like outside in the sun, and then we'll work on the engine and get that fine-tuned. So I added the battery and I added some fuel to the John Deere 317, and now I'm going to start it up and then we're going to adjust the idle on the carburetor and get this machine running properly. Got the John Deere 317 running. The engine rebuild was successful and everything else that I did was also successful. There is still a little bit of fine-tuning that I have to do. The lever to go forward and backward is a little bit jumpy, so I'm just gonna have a look at that off camera. But other than that, I'm super stoked that it actually just drove off the bat, and I will have to get a new battery because this one is very bad. Other than that, I'm really happy with the rebuild. If any of you guys want to watch my rebuild series, you guys can just click the card up above. I'll leave it up here. And right now I'm going to show you guys the grip tape that I'll put on where my feet touch the rear fender. So let's have a look at that. I'm gonna show you guys how I put grip tape on this surface right here. I did make it a little bit dirty from before with my shoes, but what I do is actually buy a full roll of grip tape, which is actually for equipment or skateboards or something in that manner, and then you can just cut it out yourself and place it wherever you like. So what I do right here is I make a template beforehand out of paper, and this happens to be already cut out, but I place it wherever I like it, and I cut this out, so then I can lay this on the back side of the grip tape, and then I can cut it out. And let's go inside and I'll show you how that looks like. Okay, so I made it inside. Please mind the tape right here around my workshop rebuild logo. I'm not done with this, but if anybody wants to see how I did this, you can also follow me on TikTok or Instagram, where I update these little short videos. If I'm not making YouTube videos, I just throw some other videos out and make them look kind of cool with some editing and whatever. So I'm on this right here and I'm not done yet, so that's why there's tape right here. But onto the template for the grip tape. I take a large piece of paper in case the grip tape will have to be a little bit larger, and I place this down and I just trace along the paper where I'd like to have it. I cut it out, and then I'm left with this right here. And I mentioned I go and purchase a roll of grip tape just like this right here. I purchased this on eBay. I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can order this. It actually also came with this nice fancy roller right here. It's actually really heavy duty, so you can actually just roll this on after you peel off the sticky paper. Next up, I'm going to lay this template on the back side of the grip tape, so when I draw on it, I can see it and cut it out easier. And just like that, I have my template right here, which I'll be cutting out the edge. Just like that, I have the left side and the right side, and now we can go outside and roll this onto the John Deere 317. But before I put it on, I want to make sure that the mating surface of the metal is actually perfectly clean, so then when I attach this, there aren't any bubbles or anything like that. So let's go outside and get that prepped for the grip tape. So I got the grip tape sorted out on the John Deere 317. It looks amazing. It makes a huge difference. If you can even do this on an older machine that you haven't restored, it just looks amazing. So now I'm going to be waiting on the decals that actually go on the side right here of the hood. And I haven't put the grill on yet because I'm going to attach the mower deck, and for that I'm going to have to put the mule drive on the front over there and the belt on the PTO clutch over there as well. So that's it for today. I'm gonna share another video with you guys when I'm mowing the grass here. It's not that tall yet, but there is quite a bit and it's already turning green, so that's very nice. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. It helps this channel out massively. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be doing some new projects here in the near future. And as always, stay tuned.